Okay, so luckily enough for me, my local supermarket is Key Food, and Key Food makes boneless chicken breast cubes, which is what my man likes in his curry chicken. He does not like dark meat. So even though I'm a big fan of the dark meat, we sometimes make it with the white meat because that's what makes me happy. So it's like 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast cubed up. So we get that in there. Same thing. We like to get a fresh lemon. We like to squeeze lemon juice all over the chicken. You could use lime as well. Lime does it well too. But I am obviously a full believer in using what you have in your refrigerator. So, get it washed up real well. Let it soak in there for a few minutes. Let that lemon get in there, get it nice and clean. The slime off, and it does add a nice taste to the marinade. And we'll be back.